Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the multi-lift personal transfer lift system, shown for use in a bumper-mounted application of a UTV. In this particular case, this is a Can-Am Defender. One of the neatest things about the system is that it does not require any modification to the vehicle in this particular case. So we literally have bolted it right to the original factory bolt hole locations, and this particular vehicle has a really good structure, so we don't have to worry about it. It passes all weight tests with flying colors. So this particular one has an aftermarket bumper added onto it, but this unit can be put on alone, and there may be other bumpers that it can go around, including potentially some factory bumpers. Right here we have the mounting system, and the mounting system is able to be adjusted for different suspension angles. So a real neat system. So this is kind of more of your technical video. Then we're going to give you another video that you'll see in the notes field down below, just showing the use of the product. So here you'll notice that we have various extensions. This does need to be removed when the vehicle is in motion. It may be possible under certain circumstances to build a system for an independent user under certain circumstances. This is available also for driver or passenger side. Okay, so the multi-lift is self-contained. It's got its own battery. I'm going to lift myself and transfer in independently. So once I'm up and off of the wheelchair here, simply raise. We got a handy handle right here, face into the vehicle. Once we get high enough for the feet to go in, I'm going to grab onto the handle right here, and we're up and in. And that's it. That's the whole process. Access Unlimited is 100% dedicated to the idea that you deserve mobility in any format that you want, get into the vehicles you want, and go where you want. We thank you very much for tuning into our YouTube channel here. If you'd like to learn more about our company, like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. We're on youtube.com/accessun with over 3,000 videos showing you tons and tons of different exciting mobility options. You can follow us on Twitter at AccessUN, Instagram, we're at Access Unlimited, all one word, Pinterest, Access Unlimited, 2 words, and our website for contacting us is www.accessunlimited.com, or give us a call the old-fashioned way at